fundamental rights and DPSP in Constitution. Our Indian 3 of our Indian Constitution, directive principles of state policy. Hello viewers, this is Vigneshwar and in this video I would like to share you about what is fundamental rights and what is DPSP. Fundamental rights are the rights confirmed to the citizens of India through our Indian Constitution. Fundamental rights contains that 12 to Article 35. Article 12 to Article 35 are called as fundamental rights which is given to the citizen of India by our government by enacting by through Indian Constitution. And DPSP means directives, principles of state policy. Article 36 to Article 51. These all are the rights given in DPSP. Article 36 to Article 51. Basically, fundamental rights talks about violation and the rights which are prohibited to the citizens and which are right to be protected and which are the right prohibited and which are right should be violated and talked about fundamental rights. But in DPSP, it talks about the free legal aid and about education and about children's working not to work in an employer factories and living wages. All these things are talks in DPSP. So when any person or any citizen violating fundamental rights can approach a court to get a remedy, but comparing to comparing to fundamental rights, DPSP, we can't approach a court for violating DPSP. So basically, fundamental rights says about violation and protections, and DPSP says about what to do for the betterment of our nation. These all are the things talks about DPSP and fundamental rights. So by this video, I would like to share you about what is meant by fundamental rights and what is meant by DPSP. And basically, if any act enacted by the parliament which violates fundamental rights should not be valid, and it should be void according to the Article 13 of fundamental rights. Thank you for watching this video. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel.